Hey, hi everyone. So in this video, let's see how you can set up the PyQt environment with Qt Designer on the Mac OS. So first of all, let's go to python.org.downloads and let's download the Python first. For PyQt 5, we need a Python version greater than 3.5. So I am installing 3.7.7. Download the macOS 64-bit installer. Open the downloaded package and install it by simply click on continue and install button. Provide your system password for installation. Now you can see the tools for Python are installed successfully. For example, IDLE, Python launcher. You can open it. You see Python shell is there. So this means we installed Python successfully. When you try to enter a command which is Python space with option version, still you will get 2.7.10 version, and for newer version you have to fire a command which is Python 3. So to resolve this issue, we need to create an alias of Python 3.7.7 version. So for that, let's open the uh, bash underscore profile file using nano editor and add this line in that file, which is alias space python equal to python 3. Now let's try again the same command. You see still there is old version. We need to restart a terminal to reflect changes. Now you can see now let's add the command again. Now you can see the new version is highlighted there. We have installed Python successfully. Now we need to install PyQt 5. So for that, first of all, let's go to their official site and go to download section of PyQt 5 from the menu. And you see there is a command which is pip space install space PyQt 5. So in our case, the command will be sudo space pip 3 space install space PyQt 5. Now wait until download is complete. You see the PyQt is installed successfully. Now let's check it out by typing a command which is python and let's import the PyQt5 package. You see there is no error, so it means we have successfully installed PyQt5. Now it's time to download Qt Designer for to build a UI for PyQt5. So but in macOS there is no Qt Designer. Actually Qt Designer is built in into Qt Creator. So for that we need to download Qt Creator first. So for that, go to their official site, which is qt.io, and go to download section and download the online installer. Open this installer. There will be warning. Click on open button. Now you need to sign in to your account. If you don't have account, you can create a new one easily. Log in with that account. Check the terms and condition. Now wait until it downloads information about the uh, packages. Click on continue button. Specify the directory where you can install the Qt creator. Now select the version which you want. So in this case, I'm selecting 5.14.2. Make sure you select only Mac OS, otherwise all the packages will be installed. Now again agree the terms and condition and click on install button. Now it will take some time because it totally depends on your internet speed, and packages are larger. In this case I think it's above 1 GB. So wait for download complete. Now you can see download is completed. Now launch the Qt creator. Or you can also launch it from Spotlight. This is the home screen of Qt creator. There is lots of examples with the C++ with C++. Now to create a Qt form for PyQt, so click on the new file or project. Go to files and classes section and select Qt option there, and after that select Qt designer form. Then select a template forms which you want and insert the file name, which will be the file name of the UI, and click on done button. You can see this is a Qt designer. Now you can drag and drop any control you want, and you can create a UI by using this designer and other. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.